In today's video, we're going to look at camera transitions. It's easy to follow video, won't take you long to learn, get the hang of it. So please hit that like and subscribe button at the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Create new project. Select your video clips, 1, 2. You'll put them in order on the timeline. Scroll along to the middle, then tap on the split. Then in the search bar, type in shutter. And then it should bring up camera shutter. Make your choice for the shutter one that you want. Adjust the time on the shutter so it runs for a decent amount of time. And then tap the tick at the end. Thanks for watching.